Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2020 model Ford Everest Titanium, 2.0-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 43,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, with service records, ending plate 5, daytime running light, push start, cruise control, leather and power seats, touchscreen display, reverse camera and sensors, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 1,148,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 292,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 84,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, ending plate 3, 7-seater, panoramic sunroof, third row auto-fold, power tailgate, original spare key, power seats, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 808,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 173,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016 model Honda HR-V, EL, top of the line, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, full casa records, plate ending 5, keyless entry, econ button, push button start, paddle shifters, cruise control, touchscreen head unit, genuine leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 136,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Mazda CX-5, all-wheel drive, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 28,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, Plate ending 1. Panoramic sunroof, leather and power seat, push start, reverse camera and sensors, parking brake, keyless entry, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 988,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 236,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2016 model Toyota Innova G, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 100,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate 3, touchscreen display, fog lamps, reverse sensors, SRS airbag, all power, all original, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 658,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 120,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2022 model Geely Ascara Luxury, top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 25,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, plate ending 5, 4-wheel drive, push start, Napa leather, 360 camera, panoramic sunroof, sport mode, power seats, reverse camera and sensors, parking brake, infotainment display, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. Cash price, 838,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 184,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.